wins today. We're gonna.
Well, that was quick.
That was funny.
I thought so.
Or not. I wins with my friend. She got the bonus. You're on the money link. Come on, keep giving them to her. Hey, give us a big one. Oh, you already got a $20 one, girl.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Keep going. Fill them up, fill them up. Come on. Okay. $27.50 on a 75-cent bet. That's not bad at all. I am also playing the money link. There are the bonuses. Here we go. Give it to me now. Oh my goodness, she got it again. Already. Sheesh. There. Oh, one more. Dang it. Come on. Give me 'em. What now? Give me those. Give me those. Oh, I want more. Come on. Three more. Three more. No. Come on. There we go. That's what we wanted to do. Give me something good. Give me 'em. Thank you. Now give me all of them. All 15. That would be $12,770. Yes, it would. Come on. Give me, oh my God, it gave me $100 one. Hell yeah. Give me some more now, baby. Oh, come on, one more. Hey, I can't complain. $124 on a $1.50. Hey, hey. Thank you, great immortals. All right, we're gonna do one backup spin. All right. Okay, my friend hopped on my same machine. She got the bonus. She's already got a $50 coin. Get it. Let's get some big ones.
Baby.
Come on, come on. Get some more. know you got a good spot. Yeah. What? $65, girlfriend.
Hey, I'm taking it.
This is my first time playing this. I don't know what's going on. But hey, I'm not gonna argue. Okay. Cool. Yay. Oh, I see. Cool. Wow. Hey! Alrighty then. Give me all the goodies. Open up. Alright then. That was Lion Dance. Alright then. Well, I put my free play on there. Hey, hey. $28. That works. Can't beat that on free play. Heck yeah. That was cute. Woohoo! Wow. Oh no, guess not. Okay, let's bump it up to $1. Let's see what it does. Okay. Oops. Give me 7. Hot tamales. Give me something good. good. More. Come on. A little bit. Hear that music? Okay, let's give it some bigger. There's some wild. Heck yeah, there we go. Ooh, I got some corn show. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Alright, that was fun. I'll give it a couple more spins. Come on, show us something good. Maybe I got it fired up. Let's see. Come on. There we go, more. Oh, darn it. Wow, wow, wow. Come on, baby, give me another one. Oh, it was a wild. Come on, hot tamales. Give me more of those. Wants me to win. I just got to get some good ones. You've got a full screen of those red hot fire 7s. Come on, give them to me. I think it's time to move on. Having fun at High Winds. Already doubled my money, and now I'm ready for my Neptunes. Red. No. There we go. Wait. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Hey, hey. Starting out a little on the pieces, then I'll move up to the 5. baby. Hey, hey. In the bottle. Oh, this wine.
I like
You
it.
need it in supper time. There's a hole in the bottle of wine. Red, give it to me. Keep going, baby. Keep it dinging, keep it dinging. Thank you. There's a hole in the bottle. Give us those reds.
Not happy for today.
Hi, fishy. Oh, Dyro Sue come out. I was hoping she wouldn't come out till I hit 5 cents. Oops. That's okay. Got the diamond.
Yeah, I don't have grandpa diamonds. Nothing.
Think big number. Bigger. That's better. No? We got 17. Oh, that's even better. Come on.
Oh, you're doing good.
Oh, I got the 10. So that means it's $20. Hey, hey, Reds. Moved up to nickel. Let's keep going. Oh. Some more good stuff. Oh, I got the sharks. Yeehaw. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Thank you, Sharkies. Come on. Come on, Reds. Come on, Neptune. Here we go. Come on, baby. Keep it going. Keep it spinning. Keep it dinging. Keep it dinging, baby. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. Heck yeah. Up to $82. There we go. Keep going, Neptunes. than two. Come on now. Teasing me with that too.
What?
Keeps teasing me with the two. Come on now. Give me more. I didn't get the fishy. That looks like a good bingo pattern. It'll be good. Oh, now. Come on. For that, you see that? Sharkies. Alrighty now, time for a red screen. There we go. Keep going, baby. Keep going.
One more.
Oh. Little Dipper.